How's it going, guys? So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this audio visualizer. There's a lot of cool things that go into it, including some fun compositing to give you this beautiful rainbow effect. So let's get into how to do that. If you want to get the project file for this, you can either get it on Patreon on all 3 tiers, or you can get it in the description for $1. If you've never heard of the Patreon, I release 10 procedural materials a month on that. We have around 80 or 90. All of those are available to you as soon as you join the Patreon. I also release exclusive tutorials every month. I just released this one on this really cool lion animation. That one's really fun. I also talk about my client work, and every time I finish a live stream, I exclusively re-upload it to the Patreon so you guys can watch it whenever you like. You can check that linked in the description. So this is what we're looking at, and when we press play, we get some fun audio. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how to do